Good morning everyone! So for today, I'm going to the FCIE for the dental appointment. So join with me because it's been more than 2 months. I'm waiting to adjust my brace. So I'm so excited and I hope all of you everyone have a nice day. So join with me today and see you later! Hi everyone, good morning. So I'm here now in FCIE and I'm waiting to open the dental clinic, and because of that I stopped here. And as you can see behind me, that's the hiring here in FCIE Cavite. So I found one hiring. It's company Goji. It's kinda Christmas light and other lights. Yeah, it's nice. And now I'm going to the dental clinic. It's over there. And I'm going to wait until the dental clinic is open. The clinic is over there. Over there. So I hope all of you everyone have a nice day. Pasensya na maingay po kasi daming sakyan. So I'm here na. Oh, see? Okay. Hello! I think I'm going to stop first on the Jollibee. It's over there. It's so hot. It's around 7:30 in the morning. Oh yeah.
So hot. I'm nearly there.
So yeah, I'm here in the Jollibee right now. Hi everyone, I'm here now in the Jollibee and I'm waiting the peach mango, and then I'm going to the dental clinic later. After that, going home. So I'm so excited. It was 2 months to adjust, and just suddenly now I will adjust mine. That's the Jollibee. I'm on the way. Going back home. Ang bilis na ayos ng ngipin ko. 20 minutes lang. So, ito yung FCIE.
So yeah, going back home now. Ay, kapagod. So finally,
good morning po. Today is around 9 in the morning and kakauwi ko lang galing po sa dentist kasi yung appointment ko po ay 8 a.m. So, kakauwi ko lang and gusto ko lang batiin kayong lahat ng I hope all of you everyone have a nice day and thank you everyone who watching my vlog and thank you also to all my subscriber. So, for today, I'm so happy because my brace is already adjust. So, as you notice, yes, yeah, just like that. It's not perfect, but it's already a lot of improvement unlike before. So, I have two alternate colors. I have green. No, I have blue and orange. So yeah, nice. It's getting nice the alignment of my brace. So for those who want to having a brace, don't be afraid. It's so good. It's just hurt for the first 2 months and then after that everything will be fine. And yun, matutuwa ka sa magiging choice mo kasi yung brace yung the best way para maayos yung any kind of problem sa teeth natin, hindi yung fixed braid or anything. Kasi dati, muntik na akong magpa-fixed braid. Buti na lang, hindi po yun ang ginawa ko. Kasi ito, 1 year and turning 1 year and ilang buwan ba? 5 months. Pero ganyan na siya kabilis mag-improve. Dati, kung napanood nyo, di ba, bungi ako, ang laki ng gap ko dito. Kasi may baby tooth ako sa harap, which is yun ang tinanggal dati. Dati, sobrang payat ko, ang lalim nandito ko kasi nakakapayat talaga yung 2 months kang hindi makakain. Soft food lang. Kasi nga, sobrang sakit. Pero, depende siguro yun sa case ng mga patient. Hindi lahat pare-parehas. Pero yung case ko, masakit po talaga. Lalo't binunutan pa ako ng wisdom tooth. So, ayan, lubog lahat dito. Tapos, ang payat-payat ko. Paano akong ewan. So, yan, ngayon, ang saya ko. Finally, nakalabas ako kahit wala akong quarantine travel pass. Kasi malapit lang. Pinakita ko lang yung appointment papers ko doon sa nag-checkpoint and doon sa gate namin. So, yun. Huwag pong kalimutan yung ninyo, appointment or travel pass.
So, ayan na po, yung ngipin ko. So, ayun na nga, yun lang yung update ko. After more than 2 months, saka palang na-adjust yung ngipin ko. And then, nilinisan lang, and then naglagay ng panibagong wire and rubber band na assorted yung color based on my decision. So yun, and then nagbigay pa rin sa akin sila ng elastic band para after 10 to 12 hours, papalitan ko siya sa dito, kabilaan, right and left sa upper part lang, hindi sa baba. So ngayon, kinokorek na lang yung alignment ko sa taas, parang pinapaatras niya kasi para hindi ito maging makaganon. And then after that, itong lower naman, i-forward naman. So, ayun, hindi na po siya masakit kasi nga matagal na, sanay na yung mga ngipin ko, hindi mga gums ko, wala na. About sa pagkain, wala na akong problema, nakakain ko na lahat. Which is, ingat-ingat lang sa mga maritigas kapag kakagatin. And about naman, sa payment, ayun, malapit na ako matapos kasi nagbibigay ako ng pag may pera, medyo malaki pag may pera. Pinaka-low na binabayad ko ay 2,000. So, sabi ng dentist ko, baka ngayong taon matapos na yung brace ko and then mag-retainer na lang ako. So, ang saya, di ba? Normally, ang contract ko ay 3 years, pero 1 year and 5 months pa lang, di ba? Ang bilis ng improvement ng ko. Kung may katanungan ka, please don't forget to comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa mga upcoming kong vlog soon. So, ayun, ngayon comfortable na ako. Hindi na ako na-stress. Parang wala lang, normal lang na parang wala akong brace kasi nga, sanay na. Pero yung pakiramdam ko ngayon, medyo tight siya kasi syempre, bagong adjust, bagong wire, bagong rubber band, kaya ganun. So, yun. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang dito na lang and see you on my next vlog soon. So, have a nice day everyone and ingat po kayo palagi. GCQ na kami dito at sana kayo din. Sana matapos na ang COVID para lahat po tayo ay happy and back to normal life. So, Bye-bye! See you on my next vlog.
Alright, alright, alright.